right out of high school, Brian Isbell got a job at CSX Railroad in Syracuse, putting derailed trains back on track. The job was hard, and the hours were long.
I had 3 shoulder surgeries, my back and knees hurt.
On top of the physical pain, his heart wasn't in it either.
I didn't know anything about the railroad when I hired on. I knew absolutely nothing. Basically, I was just looking for a job.
His true passion wasn't here on the tracks, but in the kitchen. He graduated from BOCES with a degree in culinary arts at the top of his class, but he put those dreams on hold.
The railroad is a very lucrative job. You can make a boatload of money, especially at 18 years old.
After 25 years of backbreaking labor, Isbell's dreams came true. He opened up his own personal chef and meal prep service.
It's literally so liberating when you're allowed to be your own boss.
Thank you. Someone else just ordered.
But achieving his dream wasn't enough.
Passing the message, that's key for me. Passing the message on.
So he took 15-year-old Emma DeBurgess under his wing as his special guest baker for the week.
It's like the only sweet I will eat is donuts. I love donuts.
Emma wanted the money earned from her cookies to be donated to Golisano Children's Hospital, a place near and dear to her heart.
So growing up, I was there a lot with asthma and other little medical things I have. So it was nice to know that everybody there was very welcoming.
With Isbell's guidance, maybe, just maybe, Emma won't have to put her dreams on hold.
But I've always wanted to open a bakery. That's been my dream since I was a little kid.
A dream that sounded just like Isbell's when he was a kid. But with hard work and help from others, dreams can come true. For NCC News,
I do it for smiles, to be honest with you.
I'm Tyler O'Neill.